Imagine a star, millions of times bigger than our sun. For millions of years, it burns quietly in space, balancing gravity pulling inward and energy pushing outward. But nothing lasts forever. Deep inside the star, nuclear fuel begins to run out. And when that happens, everything changes. Gravity starts to win. The core collapses in just seconds, crushing matter to extreme densities. Temperatures rise to billions of degrees. In that moment, the star becomes unstable. Then something incredible happens. A massive shockwave forms deep inside the core. And suddenly, the star explodes. This is called a supernova. For a brief moment, it can outshine entire galaxies. The explosion releases more energy in seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. The outer layers of the star are blasted into space at incredible speeds. A shockwave travels outward, sweeping everything in its path. Nearby space is flooded with radiation and energy. But this isn't just destruction. Inside that explosion, something even more important happens. New elements are created. Heavy elements like gold, silver, and iron are formed in the intense heat and pressure. These elements are then scattered across the universe. Over time, they mix with gas and dust. And slowly, they begin to form new stars, new planets, and eventually, life. That means the atoms in your body may have once come from a star that exploded billions of years ago. You are literally made of stardust. After the explosion, what remains depends on the size of the star. If it's massive enough, the core collapses into a neutron star. An object so dense, a single teaspoon would weigh billions of tons. But if the star is even larger, it can collapse into a black hole, a region where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. And even after the explosion, the story doesn't end. The expanding cloud of gas and dust, called a nebula, continues to grow. It glows with incredible colors, lighting up space. These nebulae are the birthplaces of new stars, so in a way, every supernova is both an ending and a beginning. A single explosion can reshape entire regions of space. It can destroy worlds, and also create the building blocks for new ones. Right now, somewhere in the universe, a star is reaching the end of its life and preparing for one final explosion, a supernova, one of the most powerful events in the universe, and the reason we exist at all.